Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If your iPhone isn't receiving text messages, whether it's iMessage or regular SMS, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. A lot of iPhone users face this issue, especially after updating to iOS 26. So in this video, I'll walk you through a few quick and easy fixes to get your messages working again. All right, let's jump right into it. Step 1, check your network connection. Sometimes it's not even your iPhone's fault. It's just your signal. Make sure you've got proper mobile data or Wi-Fi, because both iMessage and SMS depend on your connection. Try turning airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off again. This resets your network connection and can solve the issue right away. Step 20, check if iMessage is enabled. Go to Settings and Messages and make sure iMessage is turned on. If it's already on, try toggling it off and then back on. This refreshes the iMessage activation process. You might see waiting for activation for a bit. Just give it a few minutes. Step 3, check Send and Receive settings. Still in the Messages section, tap on Send and Receive. Now look under. You can receive iMessages to and reply from. Make sure your Apple ID, phone number, and email address are selected. Sometimes the issue happens because your number is unchecked, which means you won't receive messages sent to that number. Step 40, restart your iPhone. I know this one sounds simple, but trust me, restarting your iPhone can fix a lot of random issues. Just hold the power button, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. After that, open Messages and check if your texts are coming through. Step 5, check your SIM card. If you're not receiving regular SMS messages, take a look at your SIM. Eject it carefully, clean it with a soft cloth, and reinsert it. Also, if you're using eSIM, make sure it's active in your carrier settings. Step 60, update carrier settings. Sometimes your network provider releases small updates to improve messaging and call performance. Go to Settings, General About. If there's an update available, you'll see a pop-up asking you to update carrier settings. Tap Update. It only takes a few seconds. Step 7, reset network settings. If none of these steps work, this one usually does the trick. Go to Settings, General B, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset K, Reset Networks. Don't worry, this won't delete your data, but it will reset your Wi-Fi passwords and network preferences. Once your iPhone restarts, try sending or receiving a message again. Bonus tip if you recently switched from Android to iPhone and you're not receiving messages from Android users, go to the official to register iMessage page on Apple's site and remove your number. That'll stop your text from getting stuck in limbo. So to recap, check your internet connection, make sure iMessage is on, verify your send and receive settings, restart your iPhone, reinsert your SIM or update carrier settings, and finally, reset your network settings if needed. One of these fixes should get your iMessage and an SMS working again. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future iPhone tips and tricks.